Namaste. Today we will do remaining questions from exercise 5.2. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Here we have to find A31. That is not given in the question. But we have some other informations here. That is A11 equal to 38 and A16 equal to 73. These are the hints given in the question. From this we have to find A31. For that we will write A11 equal to, the formula is An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we don't know A, so we will write here A. A is the first term. Now N minus 1, that is 11 minus 1. Here N is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into D. D we don't know. Next, A16 equal to A plus 16 minus 1, that is 15. N minus 1 is 15 into D. Here we have values A11 equal to 38. So here we will write 38 and this one 73. From this we have to eliminate A so that we will get value for D. So same signs with same coefficient, so we will subtract. Whenever you see subtraction, make it addition and change all the signs of next number or next equation. 38 plus minus 73, that is 35. And negative sign is there, that is bigger number sign, equal to plus A and negative A get cancelled. Here 10 plus minus 15, minus 5D. Both sides we have negative. So it is easy for us to cancel the negative. That is, we can multiply this whole equation into negative. Then it gets cancelled. If there is only one negative or negative at one side of equal, you can't multiply with whole negative. If it was like this, then also we have negative into negative. This become positive, but negative into positive, here we have a negative sign. So if there is negative on one side, you can't multiply with negative and cancel that negative. But if there are two negatives on both sides, then if you multiply with a negative, it get cancelled. That is negative into negative 35, positive 35. Negative into negative 5D, positive 5D. Now it is a positive equation. No negatives are there. Now keep D there, take 5 to the side, it becomes 35 by 5 equal to D. So the value of D is 7. Now the first equation was 38 equal to A plus, that is first term, plus 11 minus 1. N minus 1 is here 10. Into D we now know the value, that is 7. That is 38 equal to A plus 10 into 7. According to BODMAS, first you will multiply here 70. Now take the 70 to the side and you will get a value for A. 38 minus 70 equal to A. The subtraction becomes addition and change the sign of next number. Here opposite signs or opposite sign integers addition. The result will be subtract smaller number from bigger number and put the sign of bigger number. And you will get minus 32 equal to A. So the value of A is minus 32. Now it is easy for us to find A31. That is A31 equal to, now we got the value for A, that is negative 32 plus N minus 1. Here N is 31. So 31 minus 1 is 30. Into D we know 7. So this becomes minus 32 plus 210. And here plus and minus numbers. So subtract smaller number from bigger number and put bigger number sign. That is positive 178. So what is 31st term of this AP? 178 is the answer. A31 is 178. Next question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. We have 50 terms. It is given in the question. Now third term is 12. That is A3 equal to 12. And the last term Last term means if there are 50 numbers in an AP, then the last term will be A50 because we have 50 numbers. A50 equal to last term is 106. In the question it is given only last term, but from the hint given we must write it as A50 because 50 numbers, so A50 is the last term. Last term is 106. Find 29th term. As we did it in the previous question, we will do all the same steps. That is, first we will write A3, that is 12. 12 equal to A plus, A is first term, we don't know, plus 3 minus 1. N minus 1 is 3 minus 1 because here N is 3. 3 minus 1 becomes 2 into D we don't know, so let it be there. Now next equation, A50 is 106 equal to A plus, here N is 50, so N minus 1 becomes 49D. Now same signs, same coefficient. Coefficient means the number part along with the variable. Here along with A we have 1. Here also 1, here also 1. So same signs and same numbers, that is coefficients. So we will subtract. So it becomes addition, sign changes. Negative 106 plus 12, that is subtract 12 from 106 and put the sign of bigger number. It is negative 94 equal to, this get cancelled. Now 2 and negative 49, that is negative 47D. Now value of D, before that we will cancel negative with multiplying a whole negative because both sides we have negative. It becomes positive 94 equal to positive 47D. Now D is 94 by 47 equal to D, that is 47 2s are 94. So D, value of D is 2. We will rewrite this equation. A3, that is 12 equal to A plus N minus 1 is 3 minus 1, 2 into D we know 2. So 12 equal to A plus 4, that is 12 minus 4 equal to A. Value of A is, that is first term is 8. Substitute in the equation to get 29th term. A29 equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is here 8 plus N minus 1. Here N is 29. So 29 minus 1, 28. D we know 2. That is A29 equal to 8 plus, first we will do multiplication. 8 2s are 16, balance 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Now A29 equal to 8 plus 56 is 64. This is the answer. Next question, if the third, that is A3 and A9, that is 9th term of an AP are 4 and negative 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So we want to know which value for n we will get the answer 0. So first we will write the equation from this given informations. That is A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1. Here n equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is 2D. A9 equal to A plus. Here n is 9. So 8D. Now subtract, make it addition. Change the signs. This get cancelled. Here A3 we know 4. And A9 is negative 8. That we will write here. Here negative 8, when we changes this to addition, it will become positive. Now 4 plus 8, 12. This get cancelled. 2 plus negative 8 minus 6D. Value of D equal to 12 by negative 6. Now you can multiply with a whole negative. We will carry that negative along with 6. Now the result is D equal to negative 2. We don't know the n. That is, which term we will get the result 0. We will apply it here, that is A3. A3 is 4 equal to A plus n minus 1. Here 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. D we know negative 2. That is 4 equal to A plus 2 into negative 2, negative 4. Take this negative 4 to the side. It becomes 4 plus 4 equal to A. Value of A is, that is first term is 8. Here A1 equal to 8. From this, we have to find which term will result 0. We will write 0 equal to A here is 8 plus N, we don't know, keep N here, N minus 1 into D we have negative 2. Here positive 8 taking to the side, it becomes negative 8 equal to N minus 1 into negative 2. Here into negative 2 we can take to the side, it becomes negative 8 by negative 2 equal to N minus 1. Negative by negative, it becomes positive. 8 division 2 is 4. So 4 equal to N minus 1. N equal to negative 1 taking to the side, 4 plus 1. That is value of N is 5. So we can conclude that fifth term we will get 0 in this AP. Next, if 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, find the common difference. 17th term, so A17 equal to A plus 17 minus 1 into D. A17 equal to A plus 16D. 10th term, that is A10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1, 9D. These are the two equations given in the question. Now it is given their difference is 7. That is 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. That is A17 minus A10, the result will be 7. So you will subtract these equations. Subtraction. A17, here you will make it addition. Change the signs of next equation. A17 minus A10, that is 7. It is given in the question. Equal to A and negative A get cancelled. 16D minus 9D. 7D. 7 equal to 7D. Now keep the D here. Take 7 to the side. It goes to denominator. Here it was multiplication. So here it will be division. 7 division 7 is 1. That is value of D is 1. It was asked in the question, that is find common difference. We found the difference, that is 1. Next question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? So the AP here given is 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. Now which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? So first you have to find 54th term and then you have to add 132 to it. So we will find 54 here. A54 equal to first term plus N minus 1. Here N is 54. N minus 1 becomes 53 into D. Here D. We will consider these two consecutive terms. Now 15 minus 3, 12. So 53 into 12. That is A54 equal to 3 plus 53 into 12. You will get 636. Now A54 equal to 639. This is the 54th term. Now you have to check what is 132 more than 639. You will add 639 plus 132. The result is 771. Now question is you have to find which position or what is the term of 771 in this AP. So to find that, to find N, you will write here AN equal to A plus, A is here 3 plus N minus 1 into D. D here is 12. Here we know the nth term is 771. But we don't know the correct position. So here we will write 771. We have to find the N. That is the term of this. So 771 minus 3. Taking this 3 to the side. Minus 3 equal to N minus 1 into 12. 771 minus 3 is 768. Now take this 12 to the side. That is 12 is outside the bracket. So you can take it to the side. So it goes to denominator. Equal to N minus 1. 768 division 12. In both this numerator and denominator we have 2 as the common factor. 2 6s and here 3 2s are 6 balance 1. 8 2s are 16. In 8 4 2s are 8. Again 2. 3 2s are 6. Here 1 2s are 2 balance 1. 9 2s are 18. 2 2s are 4. In 192 and 3 3 is a common factor. 3 1s are 3. In 19 6 3s are 18 balance 1. This become 12. and 3 4s are 12. So 64 division 1, that is 64 is the answer, equal to n minus 1. Now n equal to, take negative 1 to the side, it becomes 64 plus 1, that is 65. So we can say 771 is 65th term of this AP. In this question it was given an AP and we have to find A54, that is 54th term. For that you will get an answer and then you have to add 132 to it. Then you will get a new answer and that is the new term here. You have to find the position of that term and then keep this as an and substitute all other values in the equation and you will get the answer for n. N is the position of this term. 65th position. In this AP, 65th position will be 771. This 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. It was the question asked. Next question. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Two APs have the same common difference. We have two different APs. Both the APs have the common difference same. D is same for two APs. How will you write first AP? First AP equal to AN equal to A plus. Let A1 be the first term of first AP. A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Here for this first AP, we have to find the 100th term because we are talking about 100th term of two APs. This is second AP. Let it be there. So first we will find 100th term of first AP. A100 equal to A1 plus 100 minus 1, that is 99D. This is the 100th term. 100th term of first AP. Now second AP, AN equal to, let second AP's first term be A2. Here we took A1, so we will take another value, that is A2. This is the first term. Plus N is here, again we are talking about 100th term of this AP. 100 minus 1 is 99D. This is 100th term of second AP. Only difference is first term is different for both the APs. D is same and the position, that is 100, is same. Now it is given that both the AP's difference is 100. 100th term of first AP minus 100th term of second AP, the result is 100. How will you write? This is the 100th term. So A1 plus 99D from first AP minus second AP's 100th term is A2 plus 99D and the result is 100. We have a negative outside the bracket. It is common for these two terms. You can distribute it. So it becomes A1 plus 99D minus into A2 minus A2 minus into plus 99D minus 99D equal to 100. So plus 99D and minus 99D get cancelled. Balance is A1 minus A2 equal to 100. That is first term of first AP and first term of second AP's difference is 100. That is one condition. So let this be equation 1. Now one more hint is there. Next we have the hint on 1000th term of both AP. So how will you write 1000th term? Same as 100th term. Now we are going to write 1000th term. A1000 equal to, again A1 plus 1000 minus 1 is 999D. The other APs, A1000 equal to A2 plus, because here let A2 be the first term. Again n minus 1 means 999D. The question is, we have to find the difference of 1000th term of two APs. So how will you write A1 plus 999D minus, next equation we will write in bracket, A2 plus 999D. Here open this bracket with negative. A1 plus 999D minus into A2 minus A2 minus into 999 minus 999D. The result we don't know. We have to find it. Plus 999 and minus 999 get cancelled. Result is A1 minus A2. From the previous step we got A1 minus A2 is 100. So here also the result is 100. Difference of 1000th term of 2 AP's result is also 100. We got 100th term difference is 100. After substituting all the values, we find that 1000th terms difference is also 100 because we got last A1 minus A2. A1 minus A2 we have already proved that it is 100. So A1 minus A2 equal to 100. That is here difference of 1000th term is 100. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? By trial and error method, we want to find the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. After checking 100, 101, 102, 103, 104 and 105, we can find that 105 is the first number which is divisible by 7. This is starting from 3-digit number. Don't consider 2 digits, only 3 digits. So 105 is the first value. That is A1B 105. Now in a 7's multiple, all the terms difference will be 7. That is D will be 7. Because it is 7's multiplication table. So the difference will be 7. Now we know the biggest 3-digit number, that is 999. Let us check whether it is divisible by 7. If it is divisible by 7, we will get remainder 0. Let us check. 7 ones are 7, balance 2, take down 9. In 29, 7 fours are 28, balance 1, carry down this 9. In 19, 7 twos are 14, balance is 5. So 999 is not a perfect multiple of 7 because we have balance 5. It means if we subtract 5 from this given number, you will get a perfect multiple of 7. That is 994 will be a multiple of 7. If you divide it by 7, there will be no remainder. Remainder will be 0. Biggest 3-digit number which is multiple of 7, that is 994. Last term can be represented by L or AM. AM be 994. Now we don't know which term is that. That is how many terms are there in this AP. Starting from 105, ending at 994, we don't know how many terms are there. So we don't know N. As this is the last term, that much terms will be there in that AP. We know always the last term will be equal to number of terms. If it is A10, then we can say 10 terms are there. If it is A20, then we can say there are 20 terms because it is the last term. It is already proved. That is in 3-digit number, this is the greatest multiple of 7. So this is the last term. So last term, we don't know N. So first we will write the first term plus N minus 1. Write N there itself. N minus 1 into D. Difference will be 7. It is multiple of 7. So difference will be 7. Now from this you have to find the value of N. First you will take 105 to the side, minus 105 equal to N minus 1 into 7. 994 minus 105, the result is 889 equal to N minus 1 is there. Take the 7 to the side. It goes to denominator. 889 division 7. The result is 127. If you divide it, you will get the result 127 equal to N minus 1. Now take negative 1 to the side. 127 minus 1 taking to the side, it becomes positive 1. 127 plus 1 is 128 equal to N. Nth term is 994. It means this is the last term and it is 128th term. So we can conclude that in this AP we have 128 terms. Starting from 105 and ending in 994, we have 128 terms. 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Next question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Between 10 and 250, how many multiples of 4 are there? We know after 10, the multiple of 4 starts from 12. So A, B, 12. And difference will be 4 because it is multiple of 4. Let us divide 250 by 4. 4 6s are 24. Balance 1. Carry down this 10. That is 0. 4 2s are 8. Balance 2. 2 is the balance. So 250 is the number given in the question. But we got 2 balance while we divide it by 4. So subtract 2 from it. That is 248 will be a perfect multiple of 4. So A and B 248. That is last term B. AM B 248, or we can write here L. Last term can be represented by L or AM. First term is A1. Nth term is AN. Now 248 equal to A first term plus N minus 1, we don't know N, into D is 4. That is 248 minus 12 equal to N minus 1 into 4. 248 minus 12, that is 236. Now take this 4 to the side, it goes to denominator. 236 division 4 equal to N minus 1. If we divide it by 4, we will get 59 equal to N minus 1. Now take this negative 1 to the side. 59 plus 1 equal to N, that is 60. That means this is 60th term. If this is the last term and if it is the 60th term, it means we have 60 terms in this AP. So how many numbers are there as multiple of 4 between 10 and 250? Actually starting from 12 and ending in 248, we have 60 terms in between 10 and 250.